How to switch Roblox accounts on a desktop? Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Roblox accounts on a PC, laptop, Chromebook, anything that's in the desktop version like this. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with switching Roblox accounts, if you're using Roblox within the browser like this, it's really easy. The first thing we need to do is simply go up into the top right of Roblox, select the gear. Once you select the gear, you might see two different options for switching accounts. First, if your Roblox account is verified as over the age of 13, then you'll see switch accounts right here, where all you need to do is select that and then select add account. It'll ask you to log into that account, and then you'll be able to select switch accounts anytime you want to switch between the two Roblox accounts. Now, if your account is not verified as being over the age of 13, all you need to do to switch accounts is select log out. Then you'll just need to log into the other Roblox account. Once you do that, simply put your information in, select login, and then you will have switched to that other Roblox account. Now, if you're trying to switch Roblox accounts within the Roblox app on your PC or laptop, all you need to do that is go in the left menu, select the circle with 3 dots, then simply select log out, and then just select log in and log into the other Roblox account. There is no switch accounts option like there is in the browser. All right, so that's how you switch accounts on Roblox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.